In this video, you're going to learn how to change your profile photo on TikTok on your desktop or laptop. So let's get straight into the video. Firstly, log on to your TikTok account on your desktop or laptop by going on tiktok.com. What you want to do is come over here on the right. Can you see? If you hover over or click on it, a drop down menu appears. What you want to do is click on View Profile. Once you click on View Profile, this is your profile page on here. Can you see the Edit Profile here? What you want to do is click on Edit Profile, and it brings up this pop-up. What you want to do is come over to Profile Photo and click on this icon here, which is like a pen or an edit. Click on that and find where your logo is or your icon or profile photo as you want. You might have your face or whatever. So this is what we're going to use. What you do is click on it and click open. So here you go. It comes up here. So if you wanted to zoom in, you can zoom in, zoom out, whatever you want to do. You want to move it about, you can move it about. Once you're happy with it, what you want to do is once you're happy with where it is, yeah, I'm happy where that is, just for the sake of the video. And you click on apply. Once you've clicked on apply, it will save it. And then what you want to do is you want to click the save button at the bottom of this screen, edit profile screen, click save, and then you can see it pop up on the right hand corner here. So there you are. Can you see it's updated here on the right? I would be grateful if you hit the like button so other people can also get the same value from this video as you are or you have. So thanks again. We'll see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.